I've had a WhatsApp message from one of my clients. He's gone over to France for the week. He's got a place across there as well, and he's got a very large house in London, and his heating's not turning off. So I need to go in there and have a look. Now, as you know, with my videos, I don't edit them in any way whatsoever, and we work out the issues, if there is any issues, straight away live. So let's just go into the station. Find out what the issues are. He's turned off his heat pump, so we know the points are going to be stale, but I want to find out why we're actually enabling it. So okay, this has come through to my next screen. Just accept that. So his heating's not turning off. Let's find out a little bit more about that and why it's not turning off. So first of all, let's have a quick look at some graphics. Alright, well that's not good. See this boiler going on and off here? There's something wrong there in the logic. So we need to look at that as well. And this means that the heat pump has been turned off, the Dimplex heat pump. So we're not bringing in the points because he went to Holland the week before that, and apparently just for the weekend, and when he came back he turned off his system, but when he came back the tank was still warm. Now he's going to France for a week. He's decided to turn off the heat pump because he doesn't want the heat pump working while he's not in the building, which is understandable. So let's go and have a look at that issue. Let's just put that in edit mode. Where's that coming from? Okay, so includes gas boilers PX, so it's a PX sheet just for that. So includes gas boilers. Now we'll put that in edit mode. See where that's going on and off. So Modbus 6821. Let's have a look at that. Modbus 6821. Modbus network. Config. Drivers. Modbus 6821. Points. He's overridden gas boiler 2 to off. But there's gas boiler 1 going on and off. So let's just double click that point and see where it takes us. True. So it's that one that's doing it there. That control variable is doing it there, and that's coming from LTHW required there. Valve in position in an AND gate there. DHW not required there. Going to this block here, and it's coming from this gas boiler loop, and that DHW time clock let's just move that so I can just get that point there. That's coming from there. LTHW time clock is true, but I'm not bothered about that. I'm bothered about this at the moment. That's coming from up there. Okay. We've got a catch-22 situation here. So let's go to the DHW time clock. I presume that's going to take me to it. DHW system time clock and boost. So let's link mark that. Let's go back. Let's cut that. Not that one. Come on. Let me just move this out of the way completely. Cut that. And paste that. Right click. Link from. Out from that. Into that. Right, so that solved that issue. But that's not the issue I came in to look at. So we've now got a true on that gas boiler. Okay, let's go and have a look at the heat pump. The Dimplex heat pump. And then we can come back to that in a minute and have a quick look. Stale. So it looks like we're still giving an enable signal to the heat pump. Start heat pump and the ground loop pump. So why are you giving me an enable signal when we know you are off? So LTH time clock, why is that on? Frost protect. So why are we frost protected? Minimum room temperature. minus 1.08. Okay. Let's just link mark that and follow that point through. Because I can understand the logic there for 16 degrees, goes below 16 degrees. But why are we getting at a minus 1.08 in a room? That's just crazy. You wouldn't get. Minimum set point temp, they're all low. That's because it's come from the wrong point. Doesn't want to come from that point. These are the room temperatures down here. Minimum. Where's that one going to? Minimum actual temp 2, minimum actual temp 3. 1919. Well, that's going somewhere on this sheet because it's not opening up another sheet. Let's look for a. Oh, you're there. Where's that 4.9 coming from and that 5? Base hole cooling 4.9 T-stat. Control variable. Those control variables are quite low. If they are supposed to be temperatures. Temp out, basement hole temp 5 degrees. I don't believe that. Ground floor, and then 19.7 there. Taking the minimum. Looks like we've got a faulty sensor there as well. 650350. That's going into there. So I want to take that output of 19 degrees there. So let's go back one. I'll link mark that. Let me just link mark that first. Go back. Back again. Back again. And it's a frost protection. Get rid of that. It's gone to the wrong point. Right click that, link from, out, minimum room temps. Now it's disabled. Just turned his time clocks off, he's overridden him. Yeah, so that's time clock's off. House occupied. And he's also put it to away. So if I follow that occupied there, that would probably be tied into the house occupied, and that would do occupied override away heating off. Okay, just overridden that. So it's done, isn't it? So let's have a look at the graphics now and see where we are. Away DHW is off. I've got a temperature there, 40.6. Away heating off. So I've got no boilers running according to that. The EKW 17's not running because that's for cooling mode, and look at the temperature there, so that's definitely off. We know the heat pump's off anyway because he's turned it off. We've got no boilers on. So unless that's residual heat that's still in there. Tank temperature, no demand, and it's disabled time clock. Okay, that was that switching on, switching off, switching on, switching off. Okay, let's have a quick look at some other items. IHU's disabled. Pool plant disabled. It looks okay. Disabled. Let's go to information. That's good. Yeah. Attic radiator valve heating open. All the rest are closed. Why are you open? Radiator pump enabled. AHU's 0% on the valves. So why are you open? Attic radiator valve. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? 6A18. While I'm at it, where are you for the pump? So 6A18 is that one. 6A21. We've been into 6A21. 6A18 and 6A21. Let's have a look at 6A18 first. Six A18, 4 digital outputs. Let's follow you through and find out why you are open. Rad valve on, attic cooling off. Okay, rad valve on. Why is the rad valve on? So you're somewhere on that. You're there. Room set point 21. But you shouldn't be on because we've gone away, so that needs tying in. So let's just link mark that. And we need to tie that into the away mode. Where we can tie that into the underfloor heating valve, I presume. Heating demand, start rad pump, room demand, false, outside air. Let's just follow. Radio attic on. Rad valve attic on. Okay, that's underfloor. We want to, that's a radiator, so we still want to tie that into just a way to find out where that page is, that logic page is. Active away, there you are. We'll put it into the frost protection bit, so we'll put it into that one instead. So we've still got frost protection if we need it. Link to. Let's go back to that page now and rename that in C. Views. AX slot sheet. Heating TC stroke. Don't want stroke. Occupied. That would do for that one. I'll just go back so you can just see it changed. I know it has. I was going to jump straight to the other Modbus point. There you go. Heating TC occupied. So that radiator valve is now off. Now we had another issue on Modbus module 21, which is there. had a pump on or something. Radiator pump enable, there you go. Why are we running a radiator? Okay. So as you enable there, is that saying rad valve on? When we know the rad valve is now off, where is it getting that from? Again, from the same point. Okay. All we need to do there is tie back in. Take that out, that point there. It doesn't want it to get it from there. And we'll just take that false. Put that into there. Pump stopped. Good. Everything's off there. Let's have a quick look at the graphics. We went to manifolds page, didn't we? All closed now. Outside air temperature VT, variable temperature. Heating time clock's disabled. That's our set point adjust. Can't see anything wrong there. Yeah, they're the adjust there, the minus figures you see for the temperature adjust. They've got a 10K pot, plus or minus 3 degrees. I'm just looking at temperature. There we go. First floor, bedroom 4, temperature, room temperature 650350. Well, we know that's wrong. Looks like we need a new temperature sensor for that. First floor, bedroom 4. Let's just see where that is before I go to the other page. Edit mode. Slow. Edit mode. Thank you. .6A9 module. Modbus 6A9. Just come out to edit mode. 6A9. And then look at the weather map first. That was the last one to look at on here. Okay, so 6A9. I've got a faulty temperature sensor on 6A9 module. Six, 8, 9. First floor, bedroom 4, temp. Yeah, there's nothing I can do about that. No, I can't do anything about that. But I am interested why got other points in there. Bedroom 4 temp. What the hell? Why are they in there? And also the A1 first floor bedroom 3 pot. 654.6. Well, that's not right. 4019. Looks like it's disconnected. In fact, it doesn't. It will be disconnected because you don't get a faulty 10K pot. Very rare you would get that. So I reckon that is disconnected on the first floor bedroom. And I reckon the temperature sensor is either disconnected or faulty. I think it just be disconnected and wants reconnecting again. Something's wrong with the cable. Okay, that was it for that one. I just let the client know, send them an email, and we'll get that repaired. Thank you for watching.